plugin name is deploy to container. We don't need to install Tomcat plugin. This plugin you can use it for any application server. Okay? It's not like if you are using Tomcat, you have to go with Tomcat plugin. Glassfish, if you are using, go with Glassfish plugin. This is not needed. One plugin for deployment, that is deploy to container. In this plugin, you can use Tomcat also, you can use Glassfish also, you can use JBoss also. One plugin which is going to support all application servers. Install. No need to restart your Jenkins because it is Linux Jenkins. Linux reboot is mandatory. But if you are using it on Windows, have to reboot. Done. So go to dashboard. Now we have to configure our job for deployment. We have configured till continuous integration, but we didn't configure for deployment. So go to configure. Then up to build step, we have created the build, right? Next we have to do post build actions. Post build action means what action you want to perform once after build is ready. So which action you have to perform? Put it in that application server. So add post build action. In this action, you will see your plugin name. You will not get this option if you are not installing the plugin. Understood? So click on that deploy war here to container. Perfect. It is asking where your war file is located. Where it is located? Where it is going to store war file? Build war file is build only na. Where it is going to store the build? Inside target, there is one file. Do we know the file name? We can't go and check. So what I do is ASCII.war. Whichever file has .war extension, that file you have to take. How many files will we have? Okay. So if you don't know the file name, no need to worry. You can use ASCII here. That is going to take a war file. Target slash ASCII.war. Context path. This context path can be anything. I have given it as web app. Context path in the sense in Tomcat how your application name should be visible. That is the context path. I am giving it as web app. Then click on add container. Which container I am using? Glassfish, JBoss or Tomcat?
Tomcat.
Okay, this plugin is used to put your application in any of the application services. Okay, so Tomcat also which version we are using?
9.
Okay, click on the 9th version. Now credentials. We have to add Tomcat credentials. Tomcat also has username and password. We are also entering with username or password. But Jenkins read it hello. No right? Jenkins also need credentials. Add the credentials. Click on Jenkins. Username and password only we are adding. What's the username? Password? Tomcat@123. ID can be anything. I am giving it as Tomcat ID. Description, credentials. Add. Now click on it. Select your Tomcat credentials. Credentials also added, right? URL. We have given credentials, but where is our Tomcat server? Who knows? So the only address which defines that where Tomcat is running is your IP address and the port number. So go and copy the IP address and port number. Only IP address and port number is needed, nothing else. That is going to define your Tomcat server where actually it is running. Okay? Then nothing doing. Click on.
Yes.
Don't check this. Do not check this. In real time also I am telling you do not check this. What it is telling? Deploy on failure. Build is getting failure. You are going to deploy it. Do not deploy. Save. Now click on build now. So build success. So it is telling that we have deployed it. Go to your server credentials to Jenkins. Jenkins only will do the installation. Jenkins only will do the deployment. Now in case of Tomcat, if I give test engineers environment will be there na, the testing server credentials if I give, it will deploy that to testing server. What's there in that? Same thing. Whichever server you are taking, only thing you have to do is server credentials and server URL. If the server doesn't need any credentials, only give the URL. That is enough. If you give URL, it is going to deploy. If you are not giving anything, it is not going to deploy. Understood the deployment phase? You want me to repeat the deployment? Huh? Configuration of Tomcat inside Jenkins. Yes. You know how to install Tomcat? You know how to configure Tomcat?